myself Rachna Sukhade and I am a senior Python developer at ViitorCloud. In this video I am going to share about the Python programming language. Python is a versatile language that can be used for a wide range of application, from web development to data analysis and AIML to blockchain. Python has several advantages over other programming language that make it more popular choice for developer and organizations also. Like Python is more popular for AIML, data visualization and data analysis because it has a more powerful library like TensorFlow, Keras, Pandas, PyTorch, etc. Nowadays it is also used with blockchain technology because it has a PyEthereum library. So it is also used with game development, web development and automation, also for the web scraping. So thanks for watching this video.